Let's see how Clickatell SMS Extension works in Zoho Inventory. Imagine you're a business owner who uses Zoho Inventory. You will have several clients who owe you money and you will want to send them payment reminders via SMS to expedite the payment process. Using the Clickatell SMS feature in Zoho Inventory, you can send SMS regarding payment links, customer statements, invoice details, payment reminders, and thank you messages to your customers and their contact persons. In this video, we'll cover the following topics. Let's get started. Before installing the Clickatell SMS integration for your Zoho Inventory organization, you will need to generate Clickatell API key. To generate the Clickatell API key, log into your Clickatell account, go to My Workspace and click the SMS Setup channel. Click plus New SMS Setup. Select the option API through which you will be using your new SMS channel. Select the type of message as one way to send to your customers. Then click Next. Select Basic HTTP API as the API type. You can either create a new HTTP API or choose the existing one. For the purpose of this video, let's create a new one. In the following page, fill in the setup details, the setup name, description, SMS service class, and the setup type. Then click Next. Select the phone number through which you want to send SMS to your customers, or you can also create and add a new number from here and click Complete. That's it. You have configured your SMS channel and the Clickatell API key will be available on the SMS integration page. You can use this API key when installing the Clickatell SMS extension. Let's install the Clickatell extension from Zoho Marketplace. Go to marketplace.zoho.com. Here, you will find many ready-to-use extensions. Search for Clickatell SMS Extension for Zoho Inventory in the search bar. In the page that follows, install the extension. Click Install at the top right corner. In the pop-up that appears, read and agree to the terms and conditions of your vendor and Zoho Marketplace and click Install. Select the organization for which you would like to install the extension. Then, read and agree to the terms and conditions and click Next. Now, you will need to authorize your Zoho Finance Suite connections. Hover the cursor over Zoho Finance Clickatell SMS card and click Connect. Go ahead and click Connect again. Zoho Flow requires access to fetch the necessary data from the app. Therefore, click Accept. Now, hover the cursor over Clickatell SMS Zoho Finance card and click Connect. Enter the API key that we generated from Clickatell and click Connect. Then click Install Extension. That's it. You have successfully installed the Clickatell SMS extension in your organization. You can also install the extension from Zoho Inventory. Go to Settings and click Marketplace under Integrations and Marketplace. Here, search for the Clickatell SMS extension and install it. To send SMS to your customers, you will have to create and add the Clickatell SMS template to the extension. Let's see how to create the template. Select Clickatell SMS Templates. Click Create Clickatell SMS Templates. Enter the template name. Enter the message if you want. This message will be populated automatically while you select this template to SMS your customers. Select the module in which you want to use this template from the module drop-down. Check this box if you want to associate this template by default. Please note that if you create another template and set it as the default, the current default template will be automatically marked as non-default. And click Save. You can now use this template to send SMS regarding your transactions. Now, let's send SMS to your customers using the Clickatell SMS extension. Go to Sales and select Invoices or Customers. For the purpose of this video, let's select Invoices. Select an invoice. Kindly note that if you have installed more than one extension, you can click the drop-down next to the extension and select Clickatell SMS from the drop-down. In the pop-up that appears, based on the customer's details in the invoice, the to field will get auto-populated. Choose the template that you want to use. If you have configured the message while creating the template, then the message will be automatically populated. You can edit or create a new template by clicking the plus button next to the Choose Template field. Then click Send. In the Clickatell SMS History module, you can view a list of SMS sent to your customers. You can view this information in the Clickatell portal as well. Let's see how to uninstall the Clickatell SMS extension. If at any point you wish to uninstall the extension, go to Settings and select Marketplace under Integrations and Marketplace. Click Installed Extensions next to all extensions. Click View Details below the Clickatell SMS extension card. Click Uninstall at the top right corner. You will no longer be able to send SMS to your customers using the extension. And that's a wrap for our video. Thanks for watching.